Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock NUBIA Neo 3 5G without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because you know that's unethical and also might be considered as a crime. So only try to unlock your device. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and it will cause this that all of our data will be erased from our device. Third thing is that after the reset, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock, of course we cannot remember it, or he will want you to log in into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset. If you also don't remember it, there's a chance that you might have to perform a FRP bypass. On our channel we also have videos how to perform that, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, now you can see that my device is also locked. I cannot remember my pattern, and now what to do. No, actually I have accidentally misclicked it. Let's also try to lock the screen for 30 seconds, okay? And now what to do? We need to power off our device. Hold power button, click on power off, okay? And now to launch recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. So keep holding both buttons until the recovery mode launches. Just like that. To move around this menu, we use volume keys. Now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Click power button to confirm. You can see the thing that I was talking about before. You might be required to connect to a network via SIM or Wi-Fi and log in Google account before using the device. Now, wipe all user data. That's the last moment where you can stop, because if you now click factory data reset, the process of deleting your data will begin. If you want to go forward, select factory data reset, click power button to begin. Now, data wipe complete, we can see it on the bottom. Now select reboot system now, that's the first option from the top. And now click power button to confirm. Now we need to simply wait until our device turns on. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.